The approval of a created article. Wolken follows KCS standards to provide real-time customer support and to create and maintain documentation as a part of the process. An article can be approved by users with the KB reviewer and admin roles. The approver must be a part of the KB and the category the article is created under. Click the hamburger menu on the homepage and navigate to the KB article menu. And select My Actionable Articles from the list of views present. Select the article to be approved and click the Feedback button. The approvers can provide feedback on the article in 3 different ways based on the KCS standards. Review with AQI. Review without AQI. General review. The series of questions and the methods of implementing the feedback can be customized based on the requirements of the clients. For example, let us consider a default template present and provide review based on that. Consider review with AQI. The approver must answer yes or no to a series of questions. These questions define the article's quality index, and a score is assigned depending on the answers provided. If the approver answers yes to the first question, the rest of the questions are disabled. That is, if the article is a duplicate of another article, the rest of the questions are invalid. If he answers no, the questions are enabled. The score is predicted based on the answers provided. If the approver finds the article not satisfying, the article can be sent back for further review. The approver approves the article if it is satisfactory and meets the needs of the customer. Coming to review without AQI. Comments can be added to the article as to how it can be improved, how well it is designed. The positive aspects and the improvable aspects are added in the comments section. If the approver finds the article not satisfying, the article can be sent back for further modifications to the author. The approver approves the article if it is satisfactory and meets the needs of the customer. Finally, let us consider the general review. General reviews are comments added by the article's approvers or other users viewing the article. Only the article reviewed, with or without article quality index, can be published. If the status of the article is pending publish, click the Edit button to edit it. If the article is approved and in the published status, click the Checkout button to make the necessary updates. An article version is assigned to an article each time it is enhanced or updated. Click to copy the internal URL and share. Click to view the cases linked to the article. Now that we have completed the approval journey, let us continue exploring the other features at Wolken.